Hey everyone, it's Tiffany here and we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have new this week. The Zone Rotary Cutter. You guys, I have seen this on Amazon. It is much more. I'm going to put the price right here, but they have it here at the Dollar Tree. Same brand and everything for $1.25. Wow, it works just the same as the one on Amazon. That is a good steal at the Dollar Tree. I am loving this wooded beaded wreath. This would be really great DIY and you could add so many things to that. Let's see what they have. I guess you could decorate it with these burlap pumpkins. They have some galvanized numbers. They have some wood numbers. Oh, and look at this. What is that shape? I cannot tell what that is. Maybe I have it backwards. Not sure what that is. These are little bingsu little beads. Now this is really popular if you have some kids that love slime. This is what they actually add to that slime, is this kind of fun little, they call it tube confetti. These are not as hard as the bingsus, but it'd be super fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is the dupe for Laneige sleep mask. I can't believe we found it. Here it is. I will show you the price on how much it is on Amazon. As you can see, for $1.25, it is so much cheaper here at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna try it out at this Uno on the go. If you're traveling for the holidays, this would be super fun to have in the car. You know, kids can play these in the car and it's super small. Look how small that is. It looks like it's a full deck as well. Pocket sized cars or on the go play. I also have this Apples to Apples Junior. I'm not exactly sure how to play this, but it looks like it has the directions on the back and it's super little. Oh my gosh, look at this. Seinfeld trivia. Okay, if you watch Seinfeld, this would be a lot of fun. This would also be a really good gift for the Seinfeld fans in your family. Wow, look at all of this acrylic paint that you can get at the Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness. This is like premium acrylic paint. They have so many different colors. What is this? This is washable tempera paint. Oh my gosh, look at all the colors. What do you do with this? Let's see. So many colors to choose from. And they have a variety of different brushes as well. Look at these. This is a piercing and scoring tool. They have some sponge sets. They even have some sponge sets that are like in a circular style. Disposable over the sleeves. Does anybody know what this is? There's no picture or anything. Is that a poncho? I'm not sure. Dollar Tree has these new earrings bindings. Now these are the separate things that you would need to make your own earrings. They have them in gold. This is all the different things that you get. They also have it in silver. And you can also get the lobster claws, the jump rings, $1.25. This would be a great fun project to do over the winter. And you can actually use these glass beads to make your own earrings and use those. They also have green, some black ones, some purple ones as well. Oh, even some blue. And they even have like this bead tray to separate everything. They have a lot of new Christmas items that just came out. They have this soap dispenser in a nice tree. They have the farm truck. Very nice. What is this? Oh, home for the holidays. That's pretty nice. Now that's made of that like MDF material. They also have these that you could put on your front porch. They have some tree skirts for $5. Looks like they have some in this red. This is a 38-inch tree skirt. And they also have it in this natural linen color. Really feels pretty nice. I mentioned in my Christmas Dollar Tree video that they had the candy cane spoons, the chocolate stirring spoons. Now these were super popular last year that I saw all over the internet. I went ahead and grabbed some when we came here, but they still have some, so that's a good sign. These are a lot of fun. You can put these in your hot chocolate. You can put them in your coffee. So much that you can do. And I think it'd be a great activity for kids. New in the Christmas section is this LED snowflake. That is really pretty. And also these like glitter LED candles. They have them in the gold, the silver, red, also green. Oh, and look at that. They have star LED candles. Now, these are a 2-pack, and I think those are really neat for the holidays. Oh, and look at this. They even have a Christmas LED metal tree lamp. These 4-hour emergency candles are only $1.25. You get 6 pieces of these. Now, I also found these LED emergency candles. Now, this says 50 hours each. This would definitely be a little bit safer option. It does look like it is going to be battery operated. This is just an option to have. You want to have different options if your power were to go out. This is a great option. Now I am curious to see how much these are on Amazon, so I'm going to put that right here, how much the 4-hour emergency candles are on Amazon. Dollar Tree now has their own pink stuff cleaner. This is how much it is on Amazon, and here at the Dollar Tree you can get the same thing. I mean, it looks exactly the same. It is pink liquid, so this is a great alternative, and you can save some money by going to the Dollar Tree and buying this instead of the pink stuff on Amazon. Found this multi-purpose cleaner paste, which is the dupe for the pink stuff right here, and as you can see, it is much more expensive than the Dollar Espresso machine. This is a descaler kit. You get 2 rinse pods and 1 descaler solution for $1.25. Not a bad thing if you haven't cleaned your coffee maker in a long time. And they also have this one right here for $1.25. Works well with all top brands, extends the life of your brewer, safely removes scaling buildup, unclogs openings, fast acting and odorless. As you can see on Amazon, it is much more. So go ahead to the Dollar Tree. You're saving some money. The very popular hand sanitizers in this shape, well, now the put a lid on it, which is the dupe or the poopery, has come in this nice rectangular shape. This is scented Twisted Citrus. Dollar Tree has their own like command hooks now. With the holidays around, I'm going to put a link in the description box down below on what I use these for. It's a great hack for Christmas. They have so many different sizes. I'm actually getting this one, and I'm going to use this to hang my wreath in my kitchen in the pet aisle. And look at this dog bowl. I think you could use this for any kind of animal actually. What this does is actually slows down your animals from eating so fast, but for $1.25, this is a great dupe. Look how much this is on Amazon. You are saving a ton of money. Disco LED speaker. This is $5. It is a color changing, and it can use FM radio. It does require batteries, and it is also Bluetooth, but that would be super fun to have in your backyard or even as a gift. Desk vacuum for $5. This is very interesting. Looks like it has strong suction. It does require batteries. This is a desktop vacuum. Is suitable for removing dust from the surface of a home, laptop, computers, and keyboard. Might be a good idea to keep this maybe by your desk in case you spill something. Waterproof and submersible tin LED puck. Now this is good for indoor and outdoor use. It looks like it has a battery. It does use batteries and does come with a remote. This is only $3. I wonder if they're trying to tell you could put this into a hot tub or even a pool. Split-in fixer and hair serum. This seems to be a popular item. This is hair serum. It's smooth, dries, damages hair. They also have a split-in fixer, helps damages hair. Apply a small amount to the ends. Bath slime, bath soap. Oh my goodness, how fun is that? They have it in this like grape color. They have it in a watermelon scent. Oh my gosh, look how jiggly that is. Ooh, they have it in pink. That is fun. I think any kid would absolutely love that. Dry brushing is so popular right now. It helps reduce cellulite, improves circulation and lymphatic drainage. Dollar Tree has their. Now this one is a little bit smaller, but try it out, see if it's something you like before you get that big one. For $5, you can get a rotating bath organizer. Now it's not too big, so if you don't have a ton of stuff, I think that would work really great. But for me, it's just not quite big enough. Silicone scar sheets. Now this improves the appearance of existing scars, helps prevent the formation of scars, newly healed wounds. It's reusable and washable. Very interesting. They only have a few left. Let me know if you have tried this. If you've been working hard getting ready for the holidays, may have some aches and pains, you could get this pain relieving patch. This is an extra strength medicated patch. You get 20 small patches, and it is pretty small, but might be worth it to relieve some pain. I do like this lip sugar scrub in peach and honey. That packaging is really cute. This is a nice lip sugar scrub. Get all the dead stuff off your lips and they'll be super smooth. Non-medicated blemish paps. Now these are great little blemish paps. They are almost like little band-aids. That they look like little band-aids, but it helps clear blemishes overnight while you sleep, and it will target the problem. This is the dupe for the Mighty Patch. As you can see right here, it is much more expensive. Dollar Tree has their own, and we have actually been using these. My daughters have been using these, and we used both of them. They both agreed that this one worked just as well. So you can save yourself a ton of money by using the Dollar Tree brand. Disposable washcloths. Now these look like nice big washcloths that you'd use over your body. They're pre-moistened large disposable wipes and are suitable for all over your body. So in case you just need to like refreshen up, I think this would be good to travel with, you know, after a long day in the plane, or even if you're traveling, just wiping up can make you feel so much better. It is rich with aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamin E, and you get 18 large washcloths. If you're looking to get some curls in your hair, you guys, this is like the most popular thing right now. Everybody is using these heatless curling sets. Dollar Tree now has them. As you can see here on Amazon, they are actually much more. They have it in pink and even this blue and purple ones. They feel just as nice as the ones on Amazon. While we're here at in the hair aisle, I'm seeing these clips are super popular. These are like an alligator clip. Now these are going to be great for putting your hair back when you're trying to wash hair or even putting on makeup. So you get 8 of these for $1.25. If you need a cutting board, but you don't want to do the dishes, they now have disposable paper cutting board, safe, sanitary, hassle-free cleanup, soak, and cut resistant. Very interesting. You get 4 of these for $1.25. I think these would be great if you're going camping or needing this outside when you're barbecuing. It just makes cleanup so much easier. Dollar Tree has a ton of foil containers, anything you probably need. These are great for the holidays, for cooking. Look, they even have these for barbecuing. You can use them for baking cakes. And I also found this. How beautiful is that? Not only is it disposable, but it can be even really nice to take. This looks super fun. These are 4 neon glow tumblers. How fun is that? Now what you do is you get 4 tumblers and 8 glow sticks. All you have to do is bend it, you shake it for about 30 seconds, and then you insert it onto the tumbler and just enjoy it. Okay, that would be so much fun. This would be great to level up your drinks. Well guys, that was what's new this week at the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here. We'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.